Yeah, you know that you are already big what she do. That is the house. That is the cartoon of Merry Christmas of the Santa Claus. Oh, ayan si Santa Claus. Very big na raw siya. Si thank you na.
Thank you.
And si bye-bye. Oy. Talaga naman, ay nako. Need ano pa sisilin. Okay, thank you again. I make it another one. So this one, to those have a Christian house or Christian condo unit, or you are renting in the apartment or in the small, and just basic that you stay at home. If you have a preparation, if you are making your Christmas tree, so you can visit also. Just even simple lang, simply Santa Claus. If no, okay, normal, adi lang, it's okay. I'm just happy because we have. That's why I make it with you. Oh, I'm just saying to the whole world that we visit si Santa Claus, they visit at home. And thank you again, Jiddo Jiddo Kamal, for giving us this one, for the hadiah to Sisi. Okay? Thank you again, thank you and thank you. Ayan no, ayan pala, ayan no. Oh, Happy Christmas. Oh, ayan ang cartoon. I don't want to throw this one, I keep, because when the Christmas it's finished and the New Year, so I put return her inside only. And next year, inshallah, we can use also at the same. Okay? I off my video because she is mix sounds. Because this Santa Claus is singing jingle bells, so that's why I make off. Up naman after that one, it's na naman copyright. Ay, nako. Okay, so ayan again, once again. I'm telling to you, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. The gift that I can give to you, to my all subscriber now, just to say thank you, and I pray to God that everything will be okay wherever you are, who you are, what countries you are. And God bless us all. God provide everything what you need to your life, what you have. Okay, in this Christmas and in this New Year coming soon, the year 2025, until. Okay, and not only to all my subscriber, also to those people that you are watching to my videos, and I wish that you will subscribe also. Share, likes, and comments. On to those people also that you are not watching, you are not, you don't like, or you are not like in the social media. I have also a greetings from all of you, that Merry Christmas and the Happy New Year. And God, same as usual, provide to everything, all of us. Nationwide, worldwide, to all people in this world, God with us now and forever. Even rich or not rich, poor or whatever, we just simply celebrate our Christmas, because I think the Arabiano, they have also Ramadan, okay? And the another countries, another countries also, they are Christian, okay? So thank you very much. Thank you. Always with us. That is the best only that I can reward for you. The time that you are giving to me, a support for my YouTube channel, my rewards to give you, vice versa, is just to pray to the God that everything of us, subscriber or not subscriber, that we are still belongs and the worldwide. So God bless us all and provide everything what we have. Health, good health, good health, that is the best important, because we cannot work, we cannot do whatever we do, we want if our health will be very weak. Okay, just eat simply. The important that we are still okay, especially to our health, and always pray to our Almighty Father in heaven. Okay, thank you. You are Christian or you are not Christian, basta God always with us. It's just Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of us. Thank you, and thank you also to the company of the YouTube channel, YouTube company, in the social media, the all workers, the all spending more time to work in this company. So thank you very much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year also sa buong mundo, bawat company sa buong mundo ng YouTube company. Okay, thank you. And say thank you. Say thank you dito na lang. Wala naman ako sa ayos. Same as usual pa naman din kasi naglilinis. Ganito lang talaga. That's what I am. If I'm at home, I'm working. So that's all. So I say thank you and bye.